Welcome to our exploration of groundbreaking success stories from Japan's vibrant startup scene. Today, we're delving into three companies that have not only dominated the domestic market but have also made significant inroads on the global stage: Preferred Networks, Mercari, and Rakuten Mobile. Each of these companies has harnessed cutting-edge technology and innovative business strategies to carve out niches in highly competitive environments. Preferred Networks stands at the forefront of artificial intelligence research. Since its inception in 2014, the company has been a trailblazer in the integration of deep learning technologies into the Internet of Things and robotics. With partnerships spanning from Toyota to FANUC, Preferred Networks has turned theoretical AI advancements into practical applications, revolutionizing industries such as automotive and manufacturing with its autonomous systems and smart technologies. Next, we turn our attention to Mercari. Launched in 2013, this mobile-focused marketplace app quickly became Japan's first tech unicorn by providing a user-friendly platform that transformed every smartphone into a potential retail outlet. Mercari's simple yet effective model of facilitating the buying and selling of goods among consumers has driven its expansion, including successful forays into the United States, one of the world's largest retail markets. Finally, we explore Rakuten Mobile, a company that has redefined what is possible in telecommunications. By launching the world's first fully virtualized mobile network, Rakuten Mobile has significantly reduced operational costs and increased efficiency, setting new standards in a traditionally rigid industry. Their innovative approach to network management and their aggressive expansion strategies are reshaping mobile communications in Japan and beyond. In this chapter, we have introduced three dynamic startups, each a testament to Japan's ability to foster innovation and entrepreneurship. As we move forward, we will delve deeper into the specific strategies that propelled these companies to success and examine the critical factors that other startups can learn from their journeys. In this chapter, we delve deeper into the strategies that have propelled Preferred Networks, Mercari, and Rakuten Mobile to the forefront of global innovation. Each company has carved out its path to success by leveraging unique strategies that align with their business models and market dynamics. Preferred Networks has established itself as a leader in artificial intelligence by focusing intensely on deep learning and its applications to the Internet of Things and robotics. A key strategy for their success has been their strong collaboration with major industrial partners. By aligning their AI research with the needs of giants like Toyota and FANUC, Preferred Networks has not only advanced its technology but also ensured its practical application in the real world. Their approach combines cutting-edge research with practical solutions, focusing on areas like autonomous driving and smart manufacturing, which are ripe for innovation. Mercari, on the other hand, revolutionized the marketplace experience with a mobile-first approach that tapped into the burgeoning trend of smartphone use for everyday transactions. Their strategy was simple yet effective: create a user-friendly platform that makes buying and selling as easy as taking a photo with your phone. This ease of use, combined with robust security measures and a strong marketing campaign, helped Mercari quickly gain a massive user base. Furthermore, their decision to expand into the US market was a strategic move to tap into a broader audience, adapting their platform to meet local preferences and regulatory requirements. Rakuten Mobile disrupted the traditional telecommunications industry by implementing a fully virtualized mobile network. This innovative approach not only reduced infrastructure costs but also increased flexibility and scalability, allowing Rakuten to adapt quickly to changes in technology and consumer demand. Moreover, Rakuten's strategy includes aggressive pricing models and comprehensive service offerings, which have challenged the status quo and attracted a significant number of customers away from established competitors. The success of these companies underscores a few critical elements common among successful startups: the ability to innovate based on market needs, strategic partnerships that enhance technological and market reach, and the courage to redefine or create new markets. As we explore these strategies, it becomes clear that understanding and responding to consumer needs, while leveraging technology to break traditional barriers, are central to their success. As we move into the next chapter, we will examine the specific elements that these companies share, which have not only supported their growth but have also positioned them as leaders in their respective industries. In this chapter, we identify and analyze the shared elements that have been instrumental in the success of Preferred Networks, Mercari, and Rakuten Mobile. While each company operates in distinctly different sectors, their strategies reveal core principles that are applicable across the broad spectrum of entrepreneurship and innovation. Innovation and adaptability are the bedrocks upon which these companies have built their success. Preferred Networks has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible with artificial intelligence, making significant advancements in real-world applications. Similarly, Mercari redefined the resale market with its innovative mobile platform, adapting quickly to user feedback and market demands. Rakuten Mobile disrupted the telecommunications sector by adopting new technologies that challenge traditional business models and operational techniques. Customer-centric approaches. Each company has placed a strong emphasis on understanding and meeting the needs of their customers. For Mercari, this meant creating an exceptionally user-friendly platform that made online selling and buying accessible to everyone. Rakuten Mobile offered competitive pricing and flexible services that directly addressed consumer dissatisfaction with traditional mobile providers. Preferred Networks applied its innovations to sectors where technology could significantly enhance efficiency and effectiveness, such as robotics and autonomous driving, aligning their product development closely with customer needs in these industries. Strategic partnerships have also played a crucial role. Preferred Networks leveraged partnerships with industrial giants to gain both credibility and access to essential resources. Mercari's expansion into the U.S. market involved strategic adjustments and local partnerships that facilitated smoother entry and operation. Rakuten Mobile's collaborations with technology providers enabled it to build a next-generation network at a fraction of the cost and time. Cultural agility. As global entities, these companies demonstrate a remarkable ability to navigate and integrate different cultural norms and business practices. This agility has been critical in their international expansions and operations, allowing them to innovate not just technologically but also in their management and market engagement strategies. These elements, innovation and adaptability, customer-centric approaches, strategic partnerships, and cultural agility, form the pillars of success for these diverse companies. Each leverages these factors in ways that are best suited to their specific business models and industry requirements. As we conclude this chapter, it becomes evident that while the path to success can vary greatly depending on the context, certain foundational strategies consistently help companies to not only survive but thrive in the competitive global marketplace. In the next chapter, we will summarize the lessons learned from these three companies and discuss how upcoming startups can apply these insights to forge their own paths to success. As we conclude our exploration of three of Japan's most successful startups, Preferred Networks, Mercari, and Rakuten Mobile, we gather not only inspiration but also practical strategies that can propel new ventures towards success. This final chapter synthesizes the key lessons learned from these companies and discusses how emerging startups can leverage these insights to forge their own success stories. First and foremost, innovation emerges as the cornerstone of success. Each of the companies we explored has pushed the boundaries of technology and market expectations to offer something truly unique to their customers. For startups, this underscores the importance of innovation not just in technology but in every aspect of the business, including product development, customer interaction, and market strategy. Customer focus is another pivotal element. Understanding and responding to the needs and preferences of your target audience can distinguish your offerings in a crowded market. For startups, this means that deep market research and continuous feedback mechanisms should be integral to your product development cycles. Strategic partnerships have also played a critical role in accelerating growth and building credibility. For startups, the right partnerships can provide access to vital resources, enhance technological capabilities, and open new markets. However, it's essential to choose partners whose goals align with yours and who can genuinely add value to your business. Cultural agility is particularly crucial for startups aiming to scale globally. This involves not only understanding and integrating into different cultural landscapes but also adapting your business model to meet diverse regulatory and market conditions effectively. In light of these insights, startups should strive to 1. Foster a culture of innovation that encourages experimentation and risk-taking. 2. Maintain a laser focus on customer needs, continuously adapting products and services to better meet these demands. 3. Seek out and establish strategic partnerships that can enhance business capabilities and access to markets. 4. Develop a global mindset from the outset, preparing for cultural and operational flexibilities as you scale. Remember, the path to success is rarely linear. It requires perseverance, adaptability, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. By embodying these principles, new startups have the potential to not only succeed but to revolutionize industries and impact societies globally. We hope that the journeys of Preferred Networks, Mercari, and Rakuten Mobile inspire you to embark on your own venture with boldness and vision. May their successes illuminate your path and their challenges provide you with the wisdom to navigate your own entrepreneurial journey.